Making a girl like you is not an easy feat, but some males make it look simple. So, what's the difference between a guy who has options and a person who is hesitant to ask her out? You'll be able to drive her insane for you once you've mastered the various techniques. There's a huge difference between getting your female to want you legitimately and getting her to want you covertly. So, let's check out the key elements that will make every female want you. Number 1. Overflow with confidence. You must have a certain level of self-confidence and worth if you want to achieve anything in life. Ladies are naturally drawn to men who aren't afraid to take the lead. So, you have an advantage over other guys if you radiate clear confidence rather than arrogance. Some men simply lack the courage to speak up in front of the ladies. If this is you, you'll have to fake it until you make it. You must demonstrate to a lady that you know what you want and that you are comfortable in your own skin if you want her to think about you all the time. Make sure you dress appropriately, bathe and shave, and exert effort in your looks so that any lady would be pleased to have you as her man. Simple gestures like this can boost her self-esteem and bring you closer to your goals. Number 2. Tell her your true feelings. Women are more attracted to guys who aren't afraid to communicate their actual feelings. This openness is contagious, and if you can tap into it with this wonderful girl, she will be unable to resist your seduction. Of course, this is a risk, but it's better to find out whether she and you are on the same page sooner rather than later. This bold action will either make her crave you like no other man, or it will be the card that ends the relationship. Number 3. Make sure that you understand your objectives. You should not only set goals, but also devise a plan to achieve them. Women see motivated guys who set frequent objectives and achieve them as focused and successful. It doesn't matter what your goals are, just make sure you express them with her and talk to her about the goals that she has set for herself. Number 4. Be completely reliable. One major problem with men wanting to impress women is that they are untrustworthy. They are late or say and do things that are not in line with their commitments. You can get in the door by being handsome, but that won't help you hit a home run. You will become amazingly appealing in the eyes of a female if you can be trusted. So, make sure you're the first male to come if a lady needs to vent or needs help with something. Demonstrate to her that you can care for her, and you'll be in the running to make her badly need you, and only you. Number 5. Show good manners. There's something appealing about a man who goes out of his way to treat a woman with respect. This means you should assist her with her shopping bags, lend her your jacket if it's chilly outside, and ensure she walks on the inner side of the sidewalk away from traffic. If you want her to think about you all the time, you must be chivalrous. Take my word for it. It's powerful. Number 6. Text. It's very easy these days to contact her and interact with her. Texting her repeatedly benefits you since it tells her that you are thinking about her even when you are at work. Don't go crazy, but you may establish a routine to stimulate her attention. Start by wishing her good morning and good night, no matter what. This is an excellent move since it implies that you are thinking about her when you wake up and when you go to bed. Alternatively, send her a message at least once during the day. The best choice is to send a message at any time. Keep her guessing throughout the day about when you're going to contact her. Since technology appears to have taken over, it is impossible to hold a real-life discussion in our surroundings. If you want to impress her, make sure you have excellent communication skills. This means you'll need to be able to hold an educated conversation with her while using your big boy vocabulary. Number 7. Keep her happy. Laughter is the best medicine, and it works wonders when it comes to seducing women. According to research, a man who can make a woman laugh outperforms everyone else, regardless of their financial status. Her pain is relieved by laughter. Who doesn't enjoy a good laugh after all? Number 8. Secrets make you attractive. Some people think that playing hard to get is a good thing, while others think it is a complete waste of time. Experts say that playing hard to get will attract the interest of most women. The trick is to establish the right balance. It's not easy to control one's eagerness while increasing one's evasiveness. Make sure you're not playing too hard to get because it could backfire.